I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Today I will show how to use a thread tap safely and accurately. Begin by selecting the correct tap size and thread pitch for your hole. Mark the hole center and clamp the work firmly to prevent movement. Drill a pilot hole to the recommended drill size for the tap you chose. Use cutting fluid appropriate for the material to reduce heat and prolong tap life. Keep the tap perpendicular to the work using a square or tap guide. Always wear safety glasses and gloves when tapping metal parts. Clamp the work and secure tap in a T-handle or machine tap holder. Lubricate the tap and hole with cutting fluid before first pass. Turn the tap clockwise 3 to 4 full turns to cut thread depth slowly. After each 3 to 4 turns, reverse the tap half a turn to clear chips. Repeat the cut and back out cycle until desired thread depth is reached. Finish with a light hand and inspect threads with a gauge or bolt. Keep the tap perpendicular during all rotations to avoid broken taps. For blind holes, stop short of the bottom by 1 to 2 thread pitches. Use the recommended size and drill chart for each tap and material. Apply moderate torque and steady speed. Never force a tap that binds. If a tap breaks, stop and use a center punch, an extractor, or left-hand drill. Clean chips frequently and reapply lubricant to extend tap life and accuracy. Practice on scrap material before working on final parts to build confidence. Always measure threads with a go-no-go gauge for critical assemblies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.